to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi Korrect pidgin yannings. Now they do. See, forget all those things where they happen for Europe. Forget Champions League. The thing now will concern me and you as Obodo Nigeria people. Now the Super Falcons, the African Women Cup of Nations, they start this month. And yesterday, the Super Falcons, they come up from Nigeria. Then go Ivory Coast. From Ivory Coast, then go play some friendly, calm down small. Then they will come go Ghana for the African Women Cup of Nations. Now, as this our guests, then they fly come up for Nigeria yesterday. Then they like people where they go Nysc camp. Now, so they just dress anyhow. It come be like say the NFF no even care about the Super Falcons at all. Me, they asked this morning, Amaju Pinik, NFF, una know they plan about the Super Falcons at all? Una no get anybody where they design cloth for them? See when Super Eagles won't go Russia, then they like people where they go marriage. Then they like people where they go traditional marriage self. But our guys when they go African Women Cup of Nations, then they like people where they go Nysc camp. Why? Which day we will begin to balance the Super Falcons, the way we they balance the Super Eagles?